We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Artfeel woven cotton rope laundry basket, a 40-liter decorative storage solution designed for dirty clothes, toys, blankets, and more. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue providing detailed reviews. The Artfeel woven cotton rope laundry basket stands out for its blend of natural elegance and practical functionality. Its stylish design, crafted from premium cotton rope, adds a touch of rustic charm to any setting, making it suitable for placement in bathrooms, baby rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, dorms, nurseries, and laundry spaces. The neutral jute color and round shape ensure it complements a wide range of interior decors, while its understated appearance allows it to serve as both a functional item and a decorative accent. One of the most praised aspects of this laundry basket is its durable quality. The hand-woven cotton rope construction is not only visually appealing but also robust, offering excellent breathability. This breathability is essential for a laundry basket, as it allows air to circulate and helps prevent dampness and odors from developing, even when filled with dirty clothes. Users consistently report that the basket holds up well under daily use, maintaining its integrity and form even when frequently stuffed with laundry for a family of 4 or more. The material is soft yet sturdy, providing a reassuring sense of quality without feeling flimsy or prone to collapse. In terms of versatility, this basket excels. While its primary purpose is to serve as a laundry hamper, many users have found it equally effective for storing toys, blankets, pillows, bed sheets, and other household items. Its generous 40-liter capacity means it can accommodate a substantial amount of laundry or other belongings, making it ideal for busy households, families with children, or anyone seeking to reduce clutter. The basket's lightweight construction, combined with easy carry handles, makes it simple to transport between rooms or even up and down stairs, a feature that is frequently highlighted as a major convenience. The Artfeel laundry basket arrives compactly packaged, which is convenient for shipping and storage. However, this packaging method often results in the basket arriving somewhat misshapen, with noticeable creases or folds. While some users report that the basket regains its original round shape after being filled with pillows or blankets and left to air out for a day or two, others note that stubborn creases can persist. The manufacturer recommends ironing to help eliminate wrinkles, and repeated ironing can speed up the restoration process. For some, this initial effort is a minor inconvenience, while for others, it detracts slightly from the overall experience. Nonetheless, most agree that with regular use and a bit of patience, the basket eventually takes on its intended form and stands up well, even when empty. Another strong point is the basket's ease of maintenance. The washable cotton material ensures that accidental spills or dirt can be easily cleaned, contributing to a clutter-free and hygienic living space. The open package design and drawstring closure add to its practicality, allowing for quick access and secure storage. Users appreciate that the basket requires no assembly, simply remove it from the packaging, reshape as needed, and it is ready for immediate use. Customer feedback consistently highlights the basket's value for money. Compared to similar products available in stores, the Artfeel basket is regarded as a cost-effective option that does not compromise on quality or aesthetics. Its heavy-duty fabric withstands frequent handling, and the two-tone design adds an extra layer of visual interest. The basket's ability to bend and fold when needed, yet remain upright and supportive when full, is seen as a testament to its thoughtful design and construction. The basket's versatility extends beyond laundry. Many users have repurposed it as a storage solution for children's toys, extra bedding, or even as a decorative container for living room throws. Its neutral color palette and minimalist style allow it to blend seamlessly into various rooms, making it a flexible addition to any home. The basket's soft material is gentle on delicate fabrics, and its round shape provides ample space without taking up excessive floor area. Despite its many strengths, the basket is not without its drawbacks. The most common complaint relates to the difficulty of removing creases after shipping. While some users find that the basket quickly regains its shape, others struggle with persistent folds, even after following the manufacturer's suggestions. For a few, this issue is significant enough to impact the basket's visual appeal, particularly in spaces where aesthetics are a priority. However, these concerns are generally outweighed by the basket's overall durability, functionality, and style. Another minor point raised by users is the basket's capacity. While the 40-liter size is sufficient for most households, some reviewers mention that it may be smaller than expected, especially for larger families or those with significant laundry needs. It is important to note the product dimensions: 10.5 inches long, 9.5 inches wide, and 4.5 inches high when considering whether it will meet your specific requirements. For those seeking a larger option, it may be necessary to purchase multiple baskets or explore alternative sizes. The Artfeel laundry basket's handles receive particular praise for their comfort and sturdiness. They make it easy to carry heavy loads without straining your hands, and their reinforced construction ensures they do not tear or detach, even with frequent use. This attention to detail enhances the basket's usability and makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks beyond laundry, such as transporting toys or organizing seasonal clothing. The basket's overall appearance is another highlight. Its thick, woven texture and subtle color variations create a sense of warmth and homeliness, while the minimalist design avoids the cluttered look of many traditional hampers. Users frequently mention that the basket looks exactly as pictured, with the color and finish matching online images. This consistency between product photos and the actual item helps build trust and satisfaction among buyers. In terms of customer service, Artfeel is noted for its responsive and helpful support. If any issues arise during use, the company encourages customers to reach out, promising a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. This commitment to after-sales service provides additional peace of mind and reinforces the brand's reputation for quality and reliability. The basket's popularity is reflected in its strong customer ratings, with an average score of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 800 reviews. It ranks highly in the nursery hampers category, indicating its suitability for families with young children or those seeking stylish storage options for baby rooms. Its bestseller status further attests to its widespread appeal and proven track record. To summarize, the Artfeel woven cotton rope laundry basket is a well-designed, versatile, and attractive storage solution that meets the needs of modern households. Its natural materials, sturdy construction, and elegant appearance make it a standout choice for anyone seeking to organize laundry, toys, blankets, or other household items. While the initial creasing after shipping may require some attention, the basket's overall performance, durability, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment. Its lightweight design, comfortable handles, and ample capacity ensure it is both practical and stylish, blending seamlessly into a variety of home environments. If you are looking for a laundry basket that combines form and function, the Artfeel model is a strong contender. Its positive reviews, thoughtful features, and reliable customer support make it a popular choice among users. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue providing in-depth reviews. If you have experience with this laundry basket, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is invaluable in building a community of informed and satisfied consumers.